Okay, so hello guys. Today we are going to see the Leetcode problem 1021, which is remove the outermost parentheses. So what is the basic idea? We have a string in which we have parentheses. So in this problem, we have to remove the outermost parentheses. So for this, there are two string concatenated here. So this is the outermost string we have to remove, and this is the outermost string we have to remove. So the output should be like this. So now we have to generate a code which will give us the this output from the desired string. Okay, so what is the basic idea? First, we have to take a stack. Okay, and then we have to traverse through the entire string. So I will write here the string. Just a second. Okay, so this is our string. So we will traverse the entire string from here. So at the first position, we have the incoming operator as opening parenthesis. So there are two cases. So case one is when we have opening parenthesis. So when we get the opening parenthesis, we have to check two things. Okay, we have to check two things that if the stack is empty, we have to check the incoming operator and the stack. So if a stack is empty, so if stack dot is empty, so if our stack is empty, then we will directly push the incoming operator into the stack. Okay, so in our case, the stack is empty. Okay, and also we will take a resultant string which will be returned to the program. This is the result string. Okay, so what we have to do? There are two cases. If the stack is empty, then directly push the incoming operator into the stack. If the stack is not empty, okay, not empty, then we will push the incoming operator into the resultant string, and then we will push it into the stack if our incoming operator is opening parentheses. Okay, so now we will traverse. So and case 2 we will discuss right now, case 2, and then we will go through the entire string. So case 2 is the closing parentheses. So when the closing parentheses are, there are two steps you have to perform. First, you have to compulsorily pop from the stack, okay, and then we have to check if the stack is empty. If stack is empty, then we have to do nothing. Okay, if stack is not empty, okay, if the stack is not empty, then we have to push the operator into result. So now we will go through this. Okay, so a first operator is pushed into the stack. Now the second one. Okay, so now see. Now the incoming operator is the opening parenthesis, and the stack is not empty. Guys, we have a previous parenthesis stored in a stack. So what we have to do? If it is not empty, then we have to push the incoming operator into the result. So now we will push it into the result, and then stack में push करेंगे. Okay, push हो गया, and then I increment I is here now. Okay, now the incoming operator is a closing brace. So closing में क्या करना है हमको? Pop करना है stack में से, and then we have to or if the stack is not empty, in our case it is not empty, then we will push the operator into the resultant string. Again, now the I is here. The incoming operator is an opening parenthesis. So again, we will check if the stack is empty. The stack is not empty, so we will push it into the stack, and then as it is not empty, we will push it into the resultant string we have pushed. Now I increment. Now the incoming operator is closing brace. So closing brace, we have to pop from the stack, and if the stack is not empty, then we will push it into the resultant string. We have pushed it into the result string. Now again it is a closing bracket. So what we have to do? If we have a closing bracket, we will pop from the stack, and now we'll check if the stack is empty. So now the stack is empty. We have popped and there is nothing in the stack, so we will not do anything and we will move on. The next is an opening bracket. So we will again, if the stack is empty, directly push it into the stack. The stack is empty and we have pushed it into the stack. The next operator. The next operator is again incoming operator. So now we will check if the stack is empty or not. The stack is not empty. So not empty में results in stack resultant string में push करेंगे, and then we will push it into the stack. And now I increment I is here. Now the incoming operator is closing brace. So closing में फिर से वही पहले pop करेंगे, फिर check करेंगे stack empty है क्या. The stack is not empty. Now we will push it into the resultant string. Now then next. So this is a closing brace, and what we will do? Yeah, we will first pop from the stack, and then we will check if the stack is empty or not. The stack is empty now. After popping the last one, the stack is empty and we will not do anything. So this is the resultant string, and thus we have got the output as a result as same. So this is the correct algorithm. Now I will show you the code. Okay, I'll write it and then I'll show you the code, or else I'll directly show you the code. Just a second. Okay, so first we will take a string result. We will take a stack of character. Let me just a second. Okay. Okay, so now we will move on to the code of the remove parenthesis problem. So first we will take a result string, and we will take a stack, not a stick, of character type. So we will first iterate through the string, and we will check if the incoming operator is exact equal to the opening parenthesis. Yeah. So if it is the opening parenthesis, what we will do? Yeah, we have to first check if the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, then we will. If the stack is not empty, okay. Then result dot push back I, and then we will push the operator into stack. Stack dot push I. And else the second case where the incoming operator is this one. So here we will first pop from the stack, and then we will check and then we will check that if the stack is not empty. If it is not empty, if the stack is not empty, then what we will do? Then we will push the incoming operator into the result string. Okay, and then we will return the string. Return result. Now we will run this. Okay, so our answer is accepted, and now we'll submit it. Yeah, it is accepted. Thank you for watching my video.